Hi, morning everyone. Currently I'm out at the equestrian place where the horse riding is just left behind, and I'm out here to test out the DJI Mic Mini, which I've managed to get hold of. And it's got two tiny mic, which is only 10 grams, very small. I'll link the unboxing on top. So what's interesting, this pairs directly to the DJI Action 5 Pro, and also you get Action 4 and Pocket 3, right? So what happened is I'm going to use this and I'm going to test out the audio, because I'm going to do photographing, and my mic will be on me, and the camera will be on the camera, my mirrorless camera. So we will test out one of the mic first. Later on I'll try to pair it with maybe a phone to see two cameras shooting at the same time with the same audio setup. We'll try that now. So I'm going to pair it out, and as you can hear the sound, how it sounds like. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, now I've got the left mic and the volume on the camera. So I'm going to put it out on my ear so you can hear my voice while I'm doing some photograph. At the same time, after this, I'm going to test it out with the phone. Hopefully I can pair it with the phone. You can hear the dual audio. Okay, now I'm going to try it with before I start taking photos. I'm going to start trying with the phone and the receiver. Let's try to put it on, and then put on the other mic, which is this one, okay, on this side. Okay, so we have two mics, so you know which one is which. Okay, this one is from my phone, this one is from the Action 5, which is direct pair in. So these are two audio. One is from my phone, which is here, one is from the camera. So the horses are passing by. So it's like horses. Look at that. Hi. So hi. So now you're getting two audio sources, one from the Action 5 and one from my phone. One from my phone. So they are riding horses here, beautiful horses passing by. And while we're testing out the audio, the advantage of this, see I can walk far away from my car. And what happened is, you look at this, that's the camera, and I can call the Action 5 to stop recording, right? Stop recording. So you see it stop recording, and then you can call it back on to start recording. Start recording. So you see it start recording again. So that's the advantage of this being dual mic, which means you can do an interview, and one you can pair to your phone, one you can pair to the Action 5 itself. So out here shooting, so this is how my setup will be. The camera will be on top of my other camera. I'm going to get some bird shots from here. You can hear the audio as well from this. So the Mini on the transmitter, or you bring it out from the case, the Osmo Action will detect it and connect to it immediately. And then let's try to get some photos of some birds, and we shall talk about the audio in a while. So you can hear the chirping, or is the noise cancellation cancelling out the birds sound, or can you hear it clearly? Okay, hope you like the photos and the videos and the audio from this. I'm going to take more photos before I shoot off. Sun isn't great, clouds coming in, it's going to rain in the afternoon. But I love this audio setup because it's so light. I can walk around, it's not too heavy for me. And I don't have to put a receiver on the Action 5 Pro, because it can just pair directly with the Action 5 Pro. So the advantage of that then is lighter, I don't need a receiver. and the other one is you can pair one to the receiver USB Type-C or Lightning for Apple, but you can pair it with the phone, and you got two camera views, one from your phone and one from the action cam, and you can sync up the audio, and both the audio would be sounding the same because it's coming from the same mic. So that's the advantage of this DJI Mic Mini. And lightweight, small package, and the battery that charge the two mics and the receiver, you can do about roughly 40 hours of recording time. Nobody's gonna record that. I think 24 hours is more than sufficient if you're going for hiking and shooting outdoors. Like now I'm going outside, but it's more than enough. So good setup. Finally had a nice setup for my DJI Action 5 Pro with this DJI Mic Mini. So well done DJI, you gave the right product to us, and I'm very happy to see what else you're going to give out next. Maybe something even better on the Action 5 Pro, and maybe bigger sensor. So we'll try and see, we'll wait and see. Okay, anyway, have a nice day, I'll see you, bye.